So hi everyone, I am Kayum, and in this video we will going to see that how to get the sizes of the files inside a directory. So if you want to get to know that what is the total size of the all files present inside a directory, so in that case we will use a simple command. That command is having a combination of like ls command and awk command. So let me show you that what are the files we are having in this directory. So currently we are in the folder directory. So inside this directory we you can see that we are having three files, which of type of txt text files, like namely today, tomorrow and yesterday. So we can get the sizes of these files like this using the ls lrts command. So as we know that these are files like 1.5 GB, 1.5 GB and 1.1 GB. So basically what we aim to do in this video that we want to sum of all these sizes. Okay. So we want to get the sum of the sizes of these files. Okay. So for that we will going to do like let me show you. We will use ls lrth command. Then we will use pipe, and following we will use awk command. And now inside this awk command uh, we will going to use some expression like x, then plus, then equal operator. Then we will going to add our field number 5. Okay, so this will increment the field number 5 one by one line. Done. Then we will end this. So in the final we will print the x. Okay, in the final we will print the x. So basically what this command will do, this command will list down all the files using the ls lrth command. So you can see on the above, as using this ls lrth command we are getting the entire detail of the files, like like permissions, owner, groups, then sizes, then dates, then time, then file name. So we will pass the output of this command to the awk command. And what this awk command will do, this awk command will only add up field number 5 in the x variable. Okay, so by using this operator, increment equal operator, we will add up field number 5 to this x variable. So for example 1.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.1. In this way this x variable will get the sizes of each and every file in this directory, and in the final we will print the total number of x using the print x command. Okay, so you can see that let me show you that this is a file field number 1, this one is a field number 2, this one field number 3, 4, and the finally which is field number 5. Okay, so in this way uh, we can get. Okay, so let me hit enter. So as you can see that we are getting the output as 4.1. So this is the sum of the sizes, this is the sum of the size of the all files present inside this directory. Okay, so in this way we can use this command to get the sizes of the all files, sum of the sizes of the files inside this inside any directory. Okay, so in this way, so let me add one more file here, touch. Let me do it. So let me show you one more example. So we are in the home directory right now, so you can see in the above example that all these files are in KB. Okay, all these files are in KB. So we can just modify the command like awk, then x plus equal, then field number 5, then semicolon end, and here for example if we want the output in the MBs. Okay, so for this we will divide the x by 1024. Okay, so what this 1024 will do, so as you know that 1024 KB is equal to 1 MB. Okay, so in this way we will convert our output in MB. So let me show you. So here you can see that the total the sum of all the files and folders sizes in this directory is 2.3 MB. Okay, 2.3 MB. Okay, or we can also edit this. Let me show you. We can also edit this. Let me copy it, again paste it, then add here MB. Okay, now let's see. So here you can see that we are getting the output in this way. So we can generally use the any factor like 1024. So this will convert the KBs into MBs. Similarly, if all the files in this directory are in GB or MB, you can use the same. So it will convert vice versa. So this is how we can use the awk command and ls command to convert, to get the sizes of the, to get the some of the sizes uh, of files inside a directory. So in this way we can use it. So thank you for watching, hope it will be helpful for you.